Don't put the whole thing in your mouth.
In Turkoglu's numbers, and he has really thrived this year. He and Rashard Lewis knocking down threes, penetrating.
No, not your hands. Not your hands. Put it in your mouth.
Well, Stanford really won't take any credit for it. As you see Tayshaun Prince start to handle it, but he's been given more opportunities, more minutes.
You took a bite of it. You took a bite of it. With what teeth? Nothing on the bottom.
Who's played so brilliantly in the playoffs. Does he make a lot of plays with the ball in his hands tonight?
As John Barry said on the pregame show, they need more from Rasheed Wallace as well. Not deflecting.
No, you can't have it.
This one they will count it.
No, you can't have it. No, you want to hold the stick?
Well, his mentor, Patrick Ewing,
You can hold the stick.
a lot when he was in college. He used to early at his
It's about to fall off.